In this video, I'm showing you how you can convert your Arattai group link into a QR code. Very simple and easy. So we have this group here. Let's launch it. Let's convert our group link into a QR code. So now all we need to do is we need to launch the group here. So you tap on that there to launch the profile of the group, and you can see invite link there. Let's just tap on that. And you can see QR code just like on WhatsApp. Just tap on the QR code there, and we have our QR code. We can reset our QR code, and we can also share our QR code. So you can just take a screenshot of this QR code and then scan it on your mobile phone. You join the group here. So to share, just tap on the share, and you have options to do that, and then you start sharing your QR code. You can take a screenshot and even print it for people to join, or people to be able to join and then send you messages on your group or in your group on Arattai. It's very simple and easy. So that's it on how you convert your group link into a QR code on Arattai. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.